guys, so here I am with the new chapter of active passive specifically for present continuous tense. Now let us revise the structure of passive which you already know, and let's give a try. Pause the video, write down the structure of the passive and then check with mine. So what is the structure of passive? Now passive starts with object, so obviously we'll have object at the start, which is followed by be, the verb third form, that is past participle, then we have by and the subject. Is it what you have written? Great! Okay, so taking the help from that structure, would you like to try converting these sentences into passive on your own? Then well, go ahead, pause the video, try making these sentences into passive, and then let's understand them together. Okay guys, so if we start with the first sentence, it says water from the church is cleaning the sins of people. So in this sentence, it's quite a long sentence. So in this sentence, what are we having as subject, verb and object? So we have water, which is from the church. It is cleaning. What is it cleaning? The sins of people. So our object won't be people but the sins. Why? Because the verb cleaning is, what is the verb cleaning doing? It is cleaning. Cleaning whom? Cleaning people or cleaning sins? Yes, it is cleaning the sins of people and not the people. Right? So let's try converting this sentence into passive. So we have the sins or the sins of people entirely. If you want, you can take as our object. So this will become the sins of people. Then we have the verb, the be form. So here what will we take as be? We have sins, which is plural. So it will be the sins of people are. And what is the verb? Cleaning. So we'll be taking cleaning, the third form of the verb clean. Cleaned by the water from the church. So here, if you focus on this sentence, the sins of people are dash cleaned by the water from the church. So what is this sentence missing, or what is this sentence looks like? What does this sentence look like? Don't you think it looks like simple present tense passive form? Yes, we have are and the third form. So what is absent over here? The ing form is absent. So we would need to take help from Mr. B and ask for its being form, the ing form. So this is how your present continuous tense passive will look like. Now with the help of this, now you are quite confident to convert this sentence into passive. Let's see. I am making this lesson for you. So what is my object here? Is it you or is it lesson? So I have subject, I have verb and this lesson as my object. So I can say that this lesson Then I have the be form. Now because the lesson is singular, I'll be using is. This lesson is. Now what is the third form of make? Made. Made. And what are we missing? We are missing the ing form. So this lesson is being made, I can say, for you, by me. Now while you're actually writing, you're actually working, you don't have to put this plus sign in between. I have just put them to have a little bit of separation from each word to make you understand how it should look. Let us see this. I am thinking of you. Wow. So this is my subject, as we all know. I am thinking. So am thinking is my verb, and I have you as the object. Now just check if you have gotten it correct. So can I just say like this, that you are be thought. That's it. You are being thought of by me. I can omit or I can keep. So if you see that it is so simple to understand the usage of present continuous passive. So whenever you are having a thought in your mind and you are writing it, first and foremost be clear about the tense of the sentence. जब भी आप कोई भी सेंटेंस लिखते हो, जनरली हम जो लैंग्वेज हम बोलते हैं तो काफ़ी, बिकॉज इतने साल से हम वो लैंग्वेज को बोलते हैं, हमको टेंस के ऊपर या एक्टिव या पैसिव फॉर्म पे ज़्यादा ध्यान देने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती, वो नेचुरली ही सही होता है। लेकिन जब हम कोई नया लैंग्वेज को यूज़ करते हैं, उसको अडॉप्ट करते हैं, तो जनरली हमको उसके टेंस पे ध्यान देना चाहिए। तो जब आप आपके राइटिंग के ऊपर वर्क करते हो या स्पीकिंग के ऊपर वर्क करते हो, तो स्पेसिफिकली आप अलर्ट होइए कि आप कौन से टेंस में लिख रहे हैं। अगर आप प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस में लिख रहे हैं और एक्टिव लिख रहे हैं और आप उसको पैसिव में कन्वर्ट करना चाहते हैं, तो मेक श्योर दैट यू डोंट फॉरगेट दिस बीइंग, BEING। इट इज़ मस्ट। अगर ये नहीं लिखा तो आपका ये सेंटेंस तो करेक्ट होगा, लेकिन वो उस टेंस को बिलोंग नहीं करेगा, जिसके वजह से आइडिया करेक्टली कन्वे नहीं होगी। सो फ्रेंड्स, आई थिंक विद दिस द concept of present continuous passive is clear.